I have just found the best meeting app ever. It records in person and online all in the same account. You can use AI to talk to the transcripts, you can send emails, and you can even integrate it into your CRM with Zapier, Make.com, and even webhooks. And it's called Blue Dot. No more bots joining your calls. All you have to do is press the blue dot and away you go. An example of how powerful this is that I would normally have director meetings in person, and I used to have to get my phone, record it using memos, upload it onto my Mac, transcribe it, put it into ChatGPT. It was a nightmare and it took ages. But now I just press the blue dot and it automatically comes up in my browser, on my phone, wherever I am. So let me show you how to use it. To get started, just head to blue.hq.com, go to download. You can even download a Chrome extension, but I suggest going to the app, and we'll download the iOS app as well. We'll download this for Mac, and then click on Mac OS app, and it will go and download that. Now, all we have to do is add it to our applications, and then log in. Now, when you use this one login, it's going to have all of your meetings across your device and across your computer in one place. So here, for example, you can see I have audio recordings of in-person meetings, and then here I have actual meetings from my PC or from my Mac. So once you have Blue Dot installed, you see it up here, literally that's it, done. Now if we just go to like Meets, so we'll go to meet.google.com and we'll just start a brand new meeting, and then Blue Dot will appear down the bottom. It is so simple. And there we go. See, it's just popped up here. And all you have to do is Command-Shift-S, and boom, that's it, as it says here, Invisible AI Note Taker, that's it active. None of this messing around, having some little bot come into your call where you're all confused and your client's kind of worried about what's going on. Now literally, just click that and you're in. Now when you're done, you can either pause, or click finish, or just end the call, and it will automatically end the Blue Dot and open it up here. And now this is where the magic is really for Blue Dot. So we have the transcript on one side with our AI chat, and then it'll have a title and some notes. If we head on out to one that's already done with a bit more information, we'll be able to see, there we go. So on the right hand side here we have the transcript. It's only me talking, and the cool thing is it recognised it was only me speaking even when I went onto my mobile phone. Look, see here, I was on my phone and it still recognised me as me, even though we had two different people, which is cool. And here you have the description, and you can change this to different templates. Now, you see they have a bunch of templates. You can even make custom templates as well, and you can actually then have some specific prompt using the latest ChatGPT 5. And these notes, if you have specific templates that you use for customers or for customer check-in, interviews, technical discussions, you can then push these directly to your CRM or wherever you want to store the data. So I have Notion already connected. All I have to do is click on that button, and then it will automatically save this to Notion. And that's a cool thing, is you can do this not just automatically when it finishes. You can actually come back and get your meetings that you've already done, and you could change them. So here you could go and change that to Q&A or whatever, and then go straight to Notion still, and boom, automatically here it is inside of Notion, ready for me to share it with people, to review it, and to have it all in where I want the data to be. Now the other cool feature is actually AI chat. So up here we can now chat away using like ChatGPT to talk here to my transcript. So we can say, what did we talk about? And then we can have a back and forth conversation now, literally with Blue Dot, who has the context of the transcript. And there you go, you can see it's getting back to me already. Let's say the team started collecting more data by analysing this data, blah blah blah. Too much in one sentence. And here's also you can, and there we go, the meeting focused using data to identify ideal customers. And we can see it's actually using 5.2, so the latest model as well. And we can just start a new chat if we're all done with that, and boom, there we go. Now the other cool thing from here is we can actually have AI emails. So if we click on generate AI email, it will open it up directly in my Google, right? There we go, Google Mail, and boom, there we go, we already have our email ready. We just add in the recipients and then click send, and this is actually going to send directly from Gmail, as you can see from the URL. Now, as for the connectors, just to briefly show you here, we can go to integrations, and on the integrations, I have Notion connected and Calendar. But you can add a bunch of stuff. So you can add Drive, Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Make, webhooks, and even Zapier so that it's connected to literally everything. Now, as I was saying, you can do this offline as well, so not just online meetings. If you go to the App Store, whether that's the App Store for iOS or Google Play, you can download Blue Dot there. Now, once you've downloaded it, just simply sign in, whether that's Google or something, and you'll be able to sync up to the actual profile you were just using on desktop and in the browser. Now, when you first land here, you'll see your workspace. Now, if you enter that workspace, this is where you can keep all of your information. Now, all you have to do to get started is literally click that blue button. You click the blue dot, you put your phone upside down, and you just have a normal meeting. And it will detect the speakers, it will generate the transcripts, and then at any moment we can pause it or we can end it. So if we pause and then save, it will automatically end this, and the AI will go away, detect the speakers, and generate the information for you. So here we can see it's now popped up in our meetings, the no-code AI automation voice recording. And if we open that up, we see that that's the title it's given it. Then it will give us a transcript. So it has two speakers, speaker A and speaker B. Now, a cool thing to note here is at the top you'll have seen it says English. You can change that and it will automatically translate to other languages here, say into Spanish. And then if we head to the summary, here you can see the overview, action items, etc. from your mobile phone. So you can actually use the exact same application for real life meetings and for Teams meetings, Zoom meetings, Google meetings, anywhere that you have a meeting, you can use Blue Dot. And there you go, that's Blue Dot. I recommend go and try it out completely for free. It is a game changer for any note taking that you normally do. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.